it's me, Tiffy. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a new box to unbox for you guys. This is the Play by Sephora box. I believe it's monthly. If not, I'll edit it in the comments. And it's about $10 a month, I believe, also. And if I'm wrong about that, I'll edit it in the little comment section. But anyway, this is made by Sephora. So yeah, let's see what we're getting into. It says show off and share using hashtag Sephora Play. And then it says Play Sephora. That's cute. And then let's see what here. Have some sort of point thing for online. And then I think inside of here is the little cheat sheet, so I'm not gonna look at that. And in here we have a little bag that has like a Ziploc bag on it, but I don't really know if it's supposed to be like a reusable bag, but it's right here. And I'm sorry if I keep coughing, you guys. So the first item here is going to be 12 times more volume, up to 24-hour wear, Monsieur Big by Lancome Paris. It's mascara. And it comes in a tube like this. Let's see how it works. I'm just using my little phone camera thing, so if I mess up, oh well. Alright, so that's what that looks like. It has a little bit of like, I don't know, you can tell, but where it comes off, like, in the link. I don't know how I feel about that, but otherwise it's alright. Put that to the side. And our second item in here is Belief True Cream Moisturizing Balm. Clinically proven to retain moisture for dermatologically tested. So I think this is just like moisturizing face cream. It doesn't have much of a smell to it, but that's about what it looks like. That's good, I needed some moisturizer. And then we have this, what is this? Victor Rolf Magic VNR and Sage Spell. Okay, so this is just a little perfume sample. Just spray it. It's very strong, but not strong. Like, it's a little musky. Not what I normally wear, but it's alright. Like I said, it's just a little sample. Put that back in there. Alright. And this is, what is this? A product I'm definitely not going to use. I don't believe, anyway. Yeah, I'm not even going to open this because this is volumizing brow gel and a neutral brown color, which my eyebrows are like a very dark brown to black color for one, and for two, my eyebrows are very thick, so I don't need anything to make them look thicker. So I'll probably put that to the side and give it away to someone. I might put it in a giveaway, I might just give it to a friend, I don't know yet. This is Briogeo, maybe? I don't know how to pronounce this brand. And it says, don't despair, repair. And this is a deep conditioning mask. So this is like for deep conditioning your hair. That's pretty good. I don't have anything, like, I use conditioner, but I don't have any like deep conditioner products, so I don't think I've ever used anything like that, so that'll be interesting to try. And then, yeah, this is the last item. And this is Pores Be Gone Matte Primer with fig extract, oil-free, safe for sensitive skin. So this is just a makeup primer. I'm not really big on makeup primers because I don't use a whole lot of like foundation to begin with, but if I ever do, I got this. Also, primers on your eyelids help eyeshadows show up really well too. So yeah, that's it for the Sephora by Play for this month. I think that everybody who gets this Sephora one gets the same products, unlike with Ipsy where there's some variation of different people's bags. But I might be wrong about that. If you also get Sephora Play and you get different items than me this month, comment below and let me know. Other than that, you guys have any subscriptions you want me to try? Have you tried this subscription? Did you like it? Yes or no? Tell me how your day is going. Other than that, I think that's it for this video. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up for me. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe and hit my bell so you know when I'm on. Alright, you guys, have a great day. Bye!